Hey, it's Coach Gibbs here. Hey, having won 3 Super Bowls and 7 NASCAR championships and 200 wins that have come out of this building, I feel like we know what it's like to perform under pressure.
At Joe Gibbs Racing, we believe that when we're under pressure, we find out just how talented our team really is and how well we've prepared. Of course, it's easy to see how that preparation pays off as the Joe Gibbs Racing teams compete each weekend at the races, some of which can last up to 600 miles. But there might be no better place to see the team perform under pressure than a pit stop.
Just think about this. You come in the middle of a race, you're going to change 4 tires and completely fill a car full of fuel. And you're going to do that in less than 11 seconds. That is performing under pressure.
The sport is so competitive. The closer the same speed all the cars are, the harder it is to pass in the racetrack. So obviously the more cars you can pass on pit road, or if you maintain your track position on pit road, that's really important to your finishing position at the end of the day.
You know, we think at Joe Gibbs Racing we have the 3 best pit crews on pit lane, and stats don't lie, they really are the best.
But what many fans don't see is how well the team performs back in the race shop as they prepare in the days and weeks leading up to each race. The team must perform equally well here if there's any hope of winning on the track. And that winning begins right here with the highly skilled team of engineers who are constantly working to find new ways to improve the handling and speed of the Joe Gibbs Racing Nationwide and Sprint Cup Series cars.
In the day, before you really had engineers, everybody had to go to the racetrack and test ideas, and the sport has become much more technical over the years. Engineering plays a huge role in our success, so it is very important, and I feel like we have an extremely strong engineering group.
Being able to develop our race cars and bring out some different parts and pieces, we're always looking for lighter and lower and left and everything else to make our race cars go fast, and that group does a huge job for us in being able to make our cars faster.
Once the engineering designs are approved, it's time for those 2,000 parts and pieces to come to life. And that happens right here. The work in this room is vital to making the car on Sunday run as close to perfect as possible.
The Doosan machines here, they're working in 16-hour shifts building those parts. This part right here, think about this. This part was made by our Puma MX 2600 in our own shop right here. This piece winds up being lighter and stronger. Parts like this save us about $1,700 per part, and they're stronger and they perform better. I think one of the most important things about Doosan, the machines, they're great. They're awesome. They're the best. But really it's their people and the way they stand behind you for the life of the machine. We have a great partnership here, and you kind of see them perform under pressure, okay? Because we got to race every 7 days. It's great having them as partners and having them at your back. Why not contact Doosan and let their team perform for you and win?